Very good morning, my dear students. This is Rahul Garg, your maths teacher, and we are discussing chapter number 5, that is Arithmetic Progression. And this is the sixth part of this chapter. Students, till now we have discussed about the nth term. We have learned the formula of nth term, that is a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is first term of AP, n is number of terms, and d is common difference. Today we will discuss about the sum of n terms. What will be the sum of n terms? Now, sum of n terms of an AP. Let A1, A2, A3, A4 and so on from till An means nth term. This is an AP whose first term, that is A1 is A and common difference is D. This is first term and this is common difference. Now what will be the sum of first n terms? If sum of n term is denoted by Sn, then sum will be Sn will be my first term plus my second term plus third term and so on plus nth term. This will be the sum of n terms of AP. Student, we can write this in the reverse order, like this is nth term, this is n minus 1 term, and this is second term, this is first term. Now add both the equation, that is first equation and second equation. Student, simply कुछ नहीं किया, इसमें हमने APs की टर्म निकाली और उनको ऐड कर रहे हैं. फॉर्मूला डिराइव करने के लिए हम क्या कर रहे हैं, ये डेरिवेशन आपके लिए इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, बस आपको एक कंसेप्ट ध्यान में रखना है और एक फॉर्मूला ध्यान में रखना है कि हमने कैसे डिराइव किया. कि जो फर्स्ट हमने क्या लिखा, फर्स्ट टर्म, फिर सेकंड टर्म, फिर थर्ड टर्म, ऐसे करते करते हमने उसको nth टर्म तक लिख लिया और उसके बाद उसका रिवर्स लिख लिया, सेकंड इक्वेशन बना ली. अब देखिए, इफ वी ऐड a plus n minus 1 into in d, that is nth term with a, this will become 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now if add second term in this will become a plus a, 2a, and n minus 2d plus d means n minus 2d plus d. This will become n minus d, so we can write n minus d. Similarly, the last term, that is here a plus n minus 1d, when we will add in this a, this will become 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Means all term will be same, that is 2a plus n minus 1 into d. On the left hand side we will have Sn plus Sn, that is S2Sn. Now these are n times because we have n terms, so this is n times, so we can write as n times 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and this 2, that is in the multiply with Sn, when it goes on the right hand side, this will become in the denominator. So the formula of Sn is n by 2 plus 2a into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this will be the formula of sum of n terms of an AP. You simply learn the formula. There is no need to drive this formula, because according to your syllabus, this is only you have to only solve the numerical based on sum of n terms. Now if I write 2a plus n minus 1 into d as Sn equals n by 2 into 2a, we can write 2a as a plus a plus n minus 1 into d. Now this is the formula of nth term. So our next formula becomes Sn equals n by 2 into a plus nth term. This will be the next formula. This is the second formula of Sn, that is n by 2 into a plus nth term. We will use this formula when we know the number of terms and the first term and the last term. Nth term is also known as last term, so with this is also written as n by 2 a plus l, where l is last term. Now let's start the exercise 5.3. Our first question is find the sum of the following APs, and the first part is 2, 7, 12 to 10 terms. Here AP is 2, 7, 12. So A, the first term of the AP is A, that is 2, and to find D we will use the formula A2 minus A1, that is 7 minus 2, and the D is 5. This is D. Now number of terms is given 10, so N is 10. We have to find the sum, so Sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula of Sn, that is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now substitute the value of n, that is 10, divide by 2, 2 into here a is 2 plus n, that is 10 minus 1 into d. Here the d is 5. Now solve. This will become 5 into 2 into 2, 4 plus 10 minus 1 and 9, 9 5s are 45. So this will be 5 into 49. Now how you will solve this? To solve this you will not multiply this. We will use the shortcut, that is 5 into 50. 5 into 50 is 250 and minus 5, because 49 can be written as 50 minus 1. So 250 minus 5, this will be 245. ये जब आपको हैबिट हो जाएगी ऐसे करने की तो ये कैलकुलेशन इजी होते जाएंगे. अभी आपको ये लग रहा होगा कि मल्टीप्लाई करना ज्यादा इजी है, बट हैबिट होने के बाद जब आपकी प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी, आप इसमें परफेक्ट हो जाओगे, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, इजी लगेगा एज कंपेयर टू सिंपली मल्टीप्लाई. जस्ट 5 into 50, that is 250, minus 5, 245. Now try this yourself. Find the sum given below. In the second question, the first part is find the sum given below. The first term is 7 and the second term is 10 and a half. So we will find common difference. D will be A2 minus A1, that is 10 and a half minus 7. This will be 3 and a half. So we have find the D, and now we have given first term and the last term, but the formula is Sn equals n by 2 into a plus nth term or the last term, that is L. We have to find, first of all, find the value of n. So how we will find the value of n? We have given the nth term, that is 84. A we know that the 7 and D is 3.5. So we will use the formula of nth term, that is A plus n minus 1 into D. Now A is 7 plus n is we have to find, and D is 3.5 and nth term is 84. Now solve this. You will find the value of n by solving this. This will become 84 plus 7 plus 3.5 n minus 3.5. This is 7 minus 3.5. Plus minus minus and symbol will be of greater number. So this will be 3.5 n plus 3.5. Now this plus 3.5 become negative when it goes on the left hand side. This will be 84 minus 3.5 equals 3.5 times n. This is plus minus minus again, and the symbol will be of positive 3.5 n, and n will be 80.5 divided by 3.5. Now solve this. You will get the value of n will be 23. We have find the value of n, but we have asked how, the sum of the n terms. Means Sn will be n by 2 and a plus last term. N is 23 and a first term. In the statement, a is 7 and the last term is 84. So the first term is 7 and the last term is 84. This will be 23 divided by 2 into 91. 84 plus 7, 91. Now multiply this, you will get the answer, that is 1046.5. This will be the answer. Now the third question is, and the first part of third question is, in an AP given A. Here we have given A, D, nth term. Find n and Sn. This is the same question as we have discussed in second. We have given nth term 50, and we will use the formula of nth term, that is A plus n minus 1 into D. Here the A is 5, n minus 1, D is 3. Now solve this, you will find the value of n, and then you will use the formula of Sn, that is n by 2 a plus l, means a plus last term. That will be the formula of Sn. So find the value of Sn and n. This is same. This is also. Now the fourth part of third question is, given A3 equals 15 and S10 equals 125, find D and A10. So A3 is 15 and S10 is 125, and we are asked to find the D and A10. Now use these two given data to find the value of A and D. Now A3 is, using the formula nth term equals A plus n minus 1 into D. A3, that is 15, and A we have to find, plus 3 minus 1, that is 2D. So this is the first equation, that is 15 equals to A plus 2D. Now using the formula, Sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn, that is 125, equals n, that is 10 divided by 2a plus n minus 1, that is n, here n is 10, so 10 minus 1, that is 9 times d. Now solve this. This will cancel out with this by 5, and this will be 25. So the second equation is 25 equals 2a plus 9d. 25 equals 2a plus 9d. Now solve these two equations. This is second equation. Multiply first equation by 2 and subtract it from second. multiply first by 2 and then subtract from second. The second equation is 2a plus 9d equals 25. Now if we multiply first by 2, this will become 2a plus 4d equals 30. Now on subtracting, this is that we have discussed elimination method, that is elimination which we discussed in chapter number 3, that is pair of linear equation. Now on subtracting, the symbol will get changed and we left with the left hand side. This will be 5d, plus minus minus, and the symbol will be of greater number. So this will be 5d, and in the right hand side this will become minus 5 and d will be minus 1. The value of d is minus 1. Now substitute the value of d in equation 1. Substitute the value of d in equation first. Substitute value of d in equation first. Now first equation is 15 equals a plus 2d. A plus 2 into d, that is minus 1, equals 15. So a 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2, equals 15. So a will be 17. We have find the value of a and d. Now a is 17. Now use the formula of A10. Use the formula of find the value of A10. So the 10 to find the value of A10, we will use the formula of A plus n minus 1, that is 9 times d. You know the value of A and you can find the value of A10. This is again similar question. Okay student, thank you. You have to try first 3 sum of exercise 5.3. 5.3 exercise के first 3 sum 1, 2, 3 all part you have to solve. Okay student, thank you and have a nice day.